slip on the drill. Don't slip on the drill. Tempo, tempo. Can you keep up with my tempo?
Wagwan beautiful people, I am chevb. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you are subscribed down below. In today's video, we'll be styling this unit from Bestlacewigs.com, and the wig that we'll be trying today is a loose curly hair. It has the HD Clean Hairline lace, so the hair is already pre-plucked for you and all that good stuff. I got it in 22 inches. It is 180% density, and it is a 13x6 departing wig. So I want to show you guys what the end of the hair looks like before we style it and customize it. Now, even though this hair is pre-plucked and all that good stuff, the knots, some of the knots were still a little bit dark, but I didn't feel like bleaching the lace. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to get the lace and the knots to match my scalp as best as possible. So I reversed the wig on my mani head. Then I'm going to be using this airbrush from Sally Hansen, and I'm using the Tan Glow. So you want to spray this a little further away than where I'm spraying it so that it doesn't get on the hair itself. So after I wait until that's dry a little bit, I'm just going to take my contouring powder, which actually matches my scalp some, and I'm just going to dab that to get a customized color to match my complexion as best as possible. So I'm mostly focusing on the parting and the very front part of the lace. Now, once I'm done with that and I'm satisfied with the color, I put it against my arm to make sure that it's looking as close as possible. Now let's get into this install, girl. So first things first, I want to make sure that my edges are all the way together. Okay, I had these doodle cornrows in for a hot minute. Okay, you feel me? But that's what a protective style is. I don't gotta touch my hair for some time. And lazy girl method and all of that, I'm not doing the ball cap method, just not feeling it. It's too much work. I'm too lazy. I just need my wig to be one and done. So we'll be using the EBIN edge control, and you honestly can use any edge control you want to use. It doesn't matter. This won't affect your wig. It's just to hold my hair back. Now I have a very unique hairline where the sides are close to my brow, so I just want to make sure I get that to be laid back as possible, and also so that I don't have to bring my wig too much forward so it doesn't look too wiggy and like the lace is about to touch my eyebrows, because that ain't never cute. Okay, so once I've laid that all the way back, I'm just going to take my regular overly used stocking cap, okay, and I'm gonna make sure that it's nice and sleek. I'm not gonna push it too far back, and also you want to use a cap that is close to your complexion. Now I went a little bit dark with the cap, but that's okay. Okay, like, yeah, as long as everything is laid down. Now I might have a little bit of flyaways in the front, so we're just going to take a little tiny incy bit of got to be glued, and this is harmless on your edges if used properly. Like, honestly, I've been using this on my edges and it ain't never done nothing, okay, because it's really light. So I put that to help my hair stay in place so I don't have flyaways in the front. Now this is how the lace is looking. What you want to do after you spray the Tan Glow thingamajig on the lace is you want to take a makeup wipe or a wet cloth and just wipe off the hair in the front that the tan might have gone onto. So my method is cutting 2 parts of the lace to make a flawless install. And first things first, I cut the sides of the lace to make sure that it fits around my ear properly. Then I'm going to use the EBIN lace bond, and I'm going to spray that a little bit on, just like a little bit inches from my actual hairline, or just to make sure that the lace mimics my natural hairline. Like, it will help to be a guide before you actually cut the lace. Then I'm going to blow my blow dryer onto it and then bring the lace forward once it's tacky, and this will make it be flawless, less messy, and it's just gonna be easier to do. Now my blow dryer has seen better days. Like, girl, let me tell you how I had my hot comb and my blow dryer together on my little table, and my blow dryer was on the hot comb and it burned, and I'm like, girl, this blow dryer is too good to be replaced. Like, it still works just fine, just have, you know, seen better days. Now I'm going to use the tension method of using the lace band. Like, you can get this at your local beauty supply store, which I got from mine, or you can get it on Amazon, or you can get it on the website. And I'm just gonna lay that down and just put some wax on the hair to help with the flyaways, and then I'm gonna let that sit for 5 minutes so that it is melted. Okay, melted. Now I'm gonna take the scissors that I got on Amazon, and I'm just gonna cut the lace and mimic where it's lifted. So if it's lifted easily, that means that's where I need to cut. And also it's going to help mimic my natural hairline so it doesn't look weird or foreign on my face. And I'm just gonna cut until I'm satisfied. Now, with a lot of wigs, they come in a particular style. With the widow's peak, I do not have a natural widow's peak, so I know it wouldn't look right on me. So I make sure part off where the widow's peak is, so that, you know, it looks more natural and it looks more like me. So that is how the lace is cut. We're gonna fix the lace later on by putting a little bit of the spray on my fingertip and then dabbing it. So I'm not gonna spray directly because at the end of the day it's liquid, and liquid lifts the lace. So I don't want to put too much on there, then it starts shifting back and it starts looking crazy. So I just dab very lightly with my fingertips on the areas that needs to be melted a little bit more, and just continue doing that. And then I'm going to put on the elastic band once more. Now, to style the hair, I had different styles in mind. So first I'm going to be using this frizz tamer, and I'm just going to rub that all over the hair. It's going to give the hair a nice shine to it without having it look weighed down. So it's super light, and I'm just going to put that all over the hair. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is a half up, half down. Like, I wanted to do something different. So it's going to be super easy. It's not going to be super uniformed or tight. I just want it to be like a carefree ponytail. Now, once I get my ponytail tight, I'm just going to take a little piece from the back, and I'm just going to use my flat iron to straighten that a bit to wrap around the base so that I hide the hair tie used to make the ponytail. Then I'm going to use some EBIN spray and then blow dry it, and that's going to keep the ponytail in place. So now looking at the ponytail, I'm like, it's cute, it's giving, but it's not giving it girl, you feel me? You know what I mean? So I pulled that out, and I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna wear the hair down, and then I'm gonna take some water to spray on the hair because I'm feeling like I need some more uniform. I need a more uniform look. I need more definition with this hair. I need more curls. So we're just gonna go in with water and nothing else because I want the hair to be soft and just giving life. And then once here, I'm like, okay, I could have gone with the natural slick back hairline, but I'm like, if you know me, you know I can't do without the swoops. I need a little bit of swoop to loop in the front. It doesn't have to be anything crazy, but I need some swoop. So what I do is I spray a little bit of the EBIN spray onto my edge brush and then swoop that in. So first, obviously, I use the flat iron to like curl the hair up so that it gives a nice swoop, and then I spray the spray on the edge brush and then create the swoops. Like that's simple, that easy. Then I tie it back down with the elastic band, and now, girl, I'm like, you know what, Chev, you got to put it to the test. You're going to try to attempt some cornrows in the front because, as I said, I didn't just want to wear it down. I wanted to give it a little bit of style, a little bit of flair. I wanted to look like the it girl. You feel me? The it girl. So I'm going to attempt, and y'all going to see me attempt some cornrows in the front. And I'm not mad, okay? I did a thing. And I appreciate the thing that I did because I had confidence doing it, so that helped. Now I got my two little corners in the front, you know, it's giving cute. Okay, then I'm going to place them together and just take this little bobby pin and pin it in the back. And it's super easy. It was nothing technical to do, like quick and easy, and girl is feeling herself. Like, it is a vibe. I'm like, yes girl, like you did that. You did a little bit of cornrows in the front, girl. You know I came a long way if I can do some cornrows, and I'm proud of it. Now y'all, this is the completed look. The curls are popping. They're super defined, they're soft, the hair is giving. I didn't experience any shedding with this hair. The lace is melted for the gods. If you want to do the ball cap method with this to get an even more flawless, but if you want to do like me with the lazy girl method, something quick and easy, you go ahead and do my method. And that is all that I have for you guys today. As I said, this is 22 inches, 150% density. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at @Chev, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.
You can't hang with a gang, you a solo. Yeah, everything check, 𝐃𝐿𝐿. Let me